Here's interesting app called Bookly, Book Tracker Manager. So just tap get to get it, double click to install it. Track your TBR and reading list. So yeah, Bookly helps you track your reading in real time, manage your books, make a habit out of reading, and see your progress over time. Add books, ebooks, or audiobooks to your collections. Use the timer to track your reading and get access to awesome stats that will help you improve and read even more. Set goals and reminders to stay motivated. Get weekly and monthly yearly reports on your progress. You can better rate your books by going beyond the classic 5-star rating by adding custom ones like inspiration, heartfelt, love, spice, humor, and many more. So track your reading in real time, get reading stats, keep track of your books, keep track of your book characters. So yeah, kind of one of the top book tracker apps out there. And then yeah, there is of course a notification to upgrade. It's the Bookly Pro, where you can just get 1 month for $5, 6 months for $20. You can just skip it, whatever, or so here you have your account. You can create an account, you can invite friends or family. So then you can just either add manually, scan ISBN code, or search online. So for example, you can just search by the author. And then yeah, you can just add it here, and then yeah, something like that. Then you can just and then yeah, you can just start reading. You can add a countdown. You can add some sounds of the rain. You can add a quote, add character. So yeah, and then you can change the page which you are reading. So yeah, stuff like that. Then you can just pause it. Then you can just stop. So for example, I just got to, that's how I have my reading session done, daily goal, 20 minutes per day. So then you can just reflect. So yeah, reading streak. So that's just basically an app which will help you out and motivate you to read more and just add all of these things into the app. So there you have it. So something like that, achievement unlocked, and that's what it is. Then you just can see your stats. Then you can set your goals. Then you can have your assistant. Then you can have your store and my books. So yeah, that's what it is. So something around this. So yeah, give a try to this app.